This is part 2. Let's eat.
Ooh.
Pull the fries out.
Those are big. Those are big fries.
We gotta get the sauce
It
first.
smells nice. Look, I've seen this on the internet, so finally I can try them.
Okay, pick a sauce you like.
What do you mean you like? I don't know any of the sauces.
Just pick one. Pick like,
Okay,
for example,
let me
Chick-fil-A
look away.
sauce.
Okay.
Actually, yeah, I'm gonna put them here.
I don't know how to choose because Chick-fil-A might be not good.
And there's Chick-fil-A. Oh. Okay, there's 5 sauces here. 5 sauces here. Pick one at random.
What do you mean now? I just saw them.
5 sauces here. Pick one. Oh wow!
Oh,
Chick-fil-A sauce. Oh no!
That. I was trying to say something, but I forgot. It was kind of weird, if you ask me. It looks like a mix of mayonnaise and ketchup. What is that? Is there honey in it? Okay, it's not bad. I guess it's not bad.